And I'm going to keep it for 30 seconds only. Apply the top coat. Okay. Here for 30 seconds. I'm going to use some of this one, the stickers. You can use any stickers you want. It doesn't have to be this one. There's another one. It's really cool as well. You can definitely use. In the meantime, we're waiting for that. I am awesome. You can get any of this that you would like. I'm gonna add like some bigger one. We'll see how this one it looks like. Like have a like the halo shamrock, the big one. You can add a couple more. I kind of like it because it like halo, so you can still see your blossom gels underneath. I mean on the backgrounds. And then you can still have really cute designs of the Clover. Okay. Let me adjusting the Instagram. There you go. So now, if you're happy with this, you don't want anything else, you can definitely top coat it, and then key for 60 seconds, and then you're good to go. But I'm gonna go ahead and add just a couple of crystals on. That's all. And only I need is to pick up just a little bit using the condensed glue gel from my crystal Trifecta. I'm gonna add some here. You can also add some crystal on it as well. This one I want to do is really simple, cute, and easy. Don't forget the no wipe top coat and floating on the top. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and using my ultimate crystal kit and perfect combination, which is have everything that you wanted it, from the SS mix to the shape. I'm gonna add one. I'm gonna add two. There's the other one. That's it. Connect randomly. There you go. If you're happy with this, we are going to cure for 60 seconds. Remove the crystal kit, so then it's gonna be away. Here you go for Instagram, here for YouTube and Facebook and Twitch, and here for TikToks. Thank you so much. Okay, so we're gonna cure this one quick for 60 seconds. See how quick, simple, and easy this nail is?